Hi. Right, I'm going to show you how to do a dry stone wall. I've been mending this dry stone wall. Can you see that? Over the winter. So basically, like a dry stone wall, if it's a really old one like this, it would have just collapsed over the years. And so here, I've dug it out with a pick and just chucked all the bits along here. Which is good because you really want to have it all laid out in stone so that you can see which bits to use. It's like a jigsaw, isn't it? So if you come here, William, my cameraman, a dry stone wall, you have big stones at the bottom, and then it tapers in. And if you look at that, look how wide it is at the bottom. It's probably 3 foot at the bottom, and then going up to maybe a foot at the top. And it's made by building a wall on either side. You see that? Tapering in, and in between the two walls, you've just got rubble. So these stones are leaning in against the rubble. So if we do a little bit of building, so when you get a stone, you really want to have it overlapping like you would with a brick wall. So this one here, I want it to be overlapping between there to make it strong, and ideally I want it to be the same level as that. But this is a nice stone. Like every part of the world has different stones. Some, if they're nice and flat, then they're going to be a lot easier to use. So you're lucky if they're flat. You want it to go across that gap like that, and you want it to be really the same level as the one next to it. Then you can lay another one across that, and you're building up. And if we come over here and look at this, you're sort of going in courses, aren't you? There's sort of like, it's not like a brick wall, but it's sort of going across. And then this style of wall here has got just flat bits on top, so you want to get it quite level before you put your flat bit on. What else can I show you? Through stones. These are quite important. It's every now and then, if you're lucky enough to have them, a nice big stone that can go all the way through and tie the two walls together. But sometimes you just don't have the stone, so you just have to make best use of what you have. So if you build there, and then you would get some rubble and tip it in the gap. This stone here, actually, this is going to be a bit of a challenge because it's actually built into that, grown into this tree, and I like this oak tree, so I'll have to build over that, and we'll leave that. And here you see, when you this wall has probably been collapsed for probably 60 years or something, so very, very collapsed. I've already pulled it back, and look how big that tree is coming out the side of the wall. So this will have to be all moved away until you can get down to a decent foundation, which is what I've done here. You might have to go all the way down, and if you've got trees coming out of it, like if we turn around over there, and you see these stumps, these really those really push the wall around. So there I have to do the foundation again. And when you're building your wall and you're digging it out, you might find some exciting bits of treasure, and you can have a little museum. And here, look, I found, what's that? Do you think that's something exciting, like a Viking sword, or is it just an old fire poker? I don't know. But anyway, I think that's enough.